Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing Apollo Tyres. Let's see the long term chart of Apollo Tyres. See, if you will see it clearly, you will find that 290 rupees will act as a strong resistance in long term. Okay, but the stock is currently trading around 235 rupees, and 235 rupees will act as a support for this stock. Okay, why? Because the stock is taking some sort of a retracement right now. Okay, and one more thing, what can happen tomorrow or in swing positions, or whoever has a swing position, how to trade this stock tomorrow, or one should keep this position in swing or not. Let's analyze this. Okay, see, the stock is actually taking support of this trend line. Okay, taking support of this trend line, and it has a resistance created right now of 241. Okay, if the stock goes above 237 to 38 on intraday and gives a good kind of upside movement with volume, then you can go for a buy side trade. Okay, but let any candle of 15 minute close above 236 to 37 rupees, then only consider for buying. Okay, else if any candle closes below 233 to 32 rupees of 15 minute, then you can go for a sell side trade. You can sell this stock for the target of 227 228 9. Okay, so this is my analysis for Apollo Tyres tomorrow. Okay, thank you for watching.